Green Living Technologies International is the industry leader in green roofs, green walls, and vertical farms. We've brought nature to life for 2 decades, providing individuals, architects, and companies around the globe with innovative living art and architecture and educational programs. Our 20-plus years of expertise supersedes our competition. GLTI has set the standard and influenced the birth of an industry. Our expertise has taken us to 13 countries and countless projects, from Alaska to the Middle East.
The walls are alive. Well, this one is at least. A living wall was completed this week at Ward Village's Anaha Tower. The live artwork was designed with over 8,000 tropical plants and took nearly a year to create. It's thought to be the largest living wall in Hawaii. That tower there will be open this fall.
Finally, the largest living wall in the state, making quite an impression at Ward Village.
Oh yeah, take a look. It's about 113 feet wide, 15 feet high, made of more than 8,000 tropical plants. Yeah, this work of art took about a year to create, and you'll find it in the exterior and interior grand entrance of the new Anaha Tower, which opens this fall. Nice to have some green in that area, right?
It is beautiful. Love it.
Check out this new addition to Ward Village. This is the largest living wall in the state. Living because it's made up of plants, 8,000 tropical plants. It's located at the new Anaha Tower, the same place that has a glass bottom pool. Took nearly 1 year to create this, and residents will start moving into their units in the next couple of months.
GLTI was the first manufacturer to implement intensive formal training and certification opportunities, including green roofs, green walls, urban farming, rooftop agriculture, and vertical farming using the GLTI systems, providing educational curriculum and job training programs specific to the products we manufacture.
I think one of the things we've learned with Green is Universal and striving to drive environmental sustainability throughout the company is that it comes through partnership.
I'm very thankful to have this opportunity to involve NBC because our moral values are very much parallel.
So a few months ago we had a discussion with Green Living Technologies and Discovery Schools and found some really neat ways to communicate messages about green and the environment right here in our NBC Experience store.
Today we're going to really focus on growing up and plants growing out. The partnership that we've been able to establish with George Irwin and Green Living Technologies has been transformational.
This is the living wall. There's lots of beautiful herbs growing here, and they do this at restaurants, and they even do it for people's homes. It's
is
pretty
that
cool,
right?
isn't
And
it?
so people, a chef would actually have one of these out back in the restaurant?
Yes, and they go and clip their herbs and make pesto and salad and even a drink with it.
All right, so we're going to make salad.
These sculptures backgrounded by the skyline of Miami, that's when I think they really become very clearly buildings. The rest of the time, they're sort of these illuminating objects which are literally lighting the lower level of the pavilion.
Our environmentally safe living wall products are fabricated from recycled aluminum and stainless steel, preferred by LEED over plastic and made only in the USA. They are designed to conserve energy and eliminate waste, while warranted to last a lifetime.